Let's look at the question we have on the board. The question says, given that tan x is equal to 5 over 12, what is the value of sine x plus cos x? When you come across this kind of question, know that this is a trigonometrical ratio and it has to do with right angle triangle. First thing is, let's draw our right angle triangle. Here will be our angle 90. Here will be our angle x. Now, given that tan x is equal to 5 over 12, let's write our shortcut 12. This is what we use to interpret the sides and the angles in a right angle triangle. Now, this is shortcut 12. Sin theta equals opposite over hypotenuse, cos theta equals adjacent over hypotenuse, tan theta equals opposite over adjacent. Now this is our tan x, opposite over adjacent. We now go to our right angle triangle. Here will be our opposite, the side that is directly opposite to this angle x. Here will be 5. Here will be 5. Now, here will be our adjacent, which is 12. Now, using our Pythagoras rule that states that hypotenuse square is equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. Now, this is our hypotenuse side, which is our longest side. So, this is what we are looking for. We need to find this before we can be able to solve sine x plus cos x. Now, using this our Pythagoras rule, let's now find our hypotenuse. We have the hypotenuse square is equal to opposite square will be 5 square plus adjacent square. Our adjacent is 12. We have 12 square. Now we have that hypotenuse square is equal to 5 square will give us 5 times 5, which is 25, plus 12 square will give us 12 times 12, which is 144. Now we have that hypotenuse square is equal to 25 plus 144 will give us what? 169. At this point, we are going to take the square root of both sides. So we have square root of this equal to square root of this. This is to eliminate this square because what we are looking for is hypotenuse and not hypotenuse square. Now this we cancel this. We are left with hypotenuse equal to square root of 169 will give us what? 13. Now this is our hypotenuse. The sides of this right angle is complete. Now let's go. Sin x plus cos x is equal to sin x, remember, is opposite over hypotenuse. 5 is our opposite and 12 and 13 is our hypotenuse. So we have 5 over 13 plus cos x is adjacent over hypotenuse. 12 is our adjacent and our hypotenuse is 13. Now let's add this. Since their denominators are the same, to find the LCM we pick 1. So we have 13. 13 divides 13 will give us 1. 1 times 5 will give us what? 5. Plus 13 divides 13 will give us 1. 1 times 12 will give us 12. Therefore, 5 plus 12 is 17. We now have that sin x plus cos x is equal to 17 over 13. And this is our final answer.